Boy, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I'm going to show you how to post to Instagram on a computer. The first thing you need to do is go to Instagram.com, then scroll down and click login and just log in with your account. Then once you're logged in, right click on your mouse and click inspect.
Then what you will do is you go on top and choose one of these different types of devices and then refresh the page. Once you refresh the page, it will look just like on any phone. So you have all the buttons that you see on a phone on top and on bottom. You can watch stories on your computer, your Instagram stories. Like on your phone, you could scroll through other posts just like on your phone. And in order to post a picture onto Instagram, what you do is you click the plus button on the bottom and you look through your computer for a picture. It will not post videos, but you can do pictures. So just look for a picture on your computer that you want to put on to your Instagram account. Double click it and it will pop up. Now you can post it. You can choose filters that you want for it. And then you can click next. You could write your captions and put your hashtags over here. And once you're done, you click the share button and it will post it onto your Instagram. Anyone else can see it. You can double tap to like it, and you can do that to any other post here on Instagram. You can also post to your Instagram stories. Just click on the camera on the top left and look for a picture on your computer. You could write text on it, put hashtags and anything. And if you have a touchscreen computer, you can even make the text to be larger. Once you're done, click add to your story and it will upload to your story. And yeah.
That's how you upload pictures to Instagram using your computer. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, and do anything else you do here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. You are awesome.